Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 power m is equals to 30 and we have to find the value of m. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 3 power m is equals to 3 times 10. We can write this as, so 3 power m by 3 is equals to 10. According to exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So it is 3 power m minus 1 is equals to 10. Now I'm taking log on both sides. So m minus 1 log 3 is equals to log 10 is 1. So m minus 1 is equals to 1 by log 3. The value of log 3 is 0.4771. So m minus 1 is equals to 1 by 0.4771. So m minus 1 is equals to 2.0959. So the value of m is 2.0959 plus 1, which is equals to 3.0959. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.